Throughout the week while I was using these, I noticed that the purple one had a slight smell to it, almost like Play-Doh a little bit. Not terrible, but noticeable. And the big blue tub is scentless. Also, the purple one was a little bit thicker and seemed to go farther on the skin. Oh my goodness, the results are in. I did this for a week and I like the purple one with the peptides better. Every day that I woke up, I felt like my skin on that purple side was more plump, more smooth, hydrated, and I had to use less of it to get that effect. However, I do still think that the big blue tub is great and it's probably a better value. And so I think what I'm going to do is alternate between these two to get the benefits of both of the active ingredients that are a little bit different. Both really great night creams.